So it's just a few minutes to 7 AM and we're heading away from Ambrym. Been underway for about 40 minutes and just had such a lovely time there. Met a lovely little family and just really awesome. Quite a nice anchorage. And they're putting on a cultural experience, so we're going to see if we can post it on No Foreign Land for them so that they get a bit more traffic. So just going to do that soon. And look, we're sailing away. We've got 15 knots of wind behind us. And it's actually really behind us, so we've just got the full head sail out and we're heading for northern Pentecost. So we've got about 36 miles to run. Should be there about 2 or 3 PM. Nice day out.
As we left Ambrym behind and sailed further north to Pentecost Island, we expected life to grow more remote and simple. But in Loltong Bay, we found a village that challenged those assumptions, reminding us that every place has its own way of living, so its own balance of tradition and change.
We have 3 miles to run to Loltong Bay on Pentecost, and the last half of the trip has been pretty uneventful because we lost the wind, so we've been motoring. It's been a bit rolly, but Pentecost's an interesting looking place, very mountainous island, like everything's a hill, so it's going to be interesting to see what the anchorage is like. And one of our friends arrived here this morning, so it'll be nice to see him.
So we're going ashore and it is very beautiful here. Like all of Vanuatu, you'll be hard pressed not to find a beautiful spot, but it looks like quite a sophisticated area. The ferry seems to come every day. It came yesterday and today, and yeah, it looks very active on shore. There's little banana boats going back and forth all the time. Before we go any further, we should probably introduce our cruising friends. Julian and Tracy, who we first met in New Caledonia, have been with us through so many anchorages, from laughter to long repair days in the Maskelyne Islands. And through them, we met Diego, a solo sailor from New Zealand with a calm spirit and a quick smile. They've become really good friends, and it's their friendships that have shaped how we've experienced these islands along the way. And now, back to life in Loltong Bay. So we're going to go ashore, see what there is to do ashore. Oh, that is our anchor alarm. Now, we would have actually dragged quite a bit before that went off, but that's gone off because Adam's put it in his pocket and he's taken his cell phone with him.
We're about 5 or 6 boat lengths away.
Yeah. On shore, Matthew was there waiting for us. Together with his wife Mary, they run the Loltong Yacht Club, a place that welcomes visiting sailors to Pentecost. The club was damaged by a cyclone and has been rebuilt, but that hasn't stopped them from greeting every yachty who comes to their shore. Matthew and Mary like to take visiting crews on a walk through the village. Quite a good exercise, this.
Yeah.
Sharing what life is like here in Loltong Bay, a place where tradition and daily life blend beautifully. During our walk through the village and gardens, Matthew paused for what every good tour should include: a look at the coconut tree, and he showed us why it's called the Tree of Life.
Like a filter, and then you pull it like this, and then make it like this, and then you make it like this.
Oh yes, I
and then
see.
squeeze it,
Yes,
squeeze it inside.
yes.
Save 2 times
Yes.
or 3 times to fill things.
Okay.
Yes, can
Yeah.
do many things.
Yes.
Coconut is one we use for the ski. When you cut it, break it like here, and then you cut it, break it, to put your leg here and here. And then this one, you can weave it like a basket. Weave it, and then this one inside. But this one is not strong. Okay, you collect 15 or 16, so you can prune.
Oh.
Yes.
And
Of course.
this one used with milk, kava, you squeeze kava inside. And this one, when you dry, you can starting the fire on it.
Okay.
Yeah, with the matches and light it and starting the fire on it.
Yeah.
And when you have a fruit, and then the green one, and then you have to drink, inside you have to eat, and then when you dry, and then you have to scrub,
Grind it out,
and
yeah.
then you put it on the banana. And then you use the milk. You have to milk anything like you want, like cabbage. Or like today you will have it.
Yes.
Pentecost is famous across Vanuatu, and Loltong is one of its largest villages, made up of 5 councils. There's hydropower with individual meters, schools, a small shop, even villas for visiting officials. Both French and English are spoken here, and kava is grown on a large scale, with plantations feeding into a thriving production line.
Kava is already quality, yeah, but they drum up and then they clean it good, and then they drum up and then they send to villa.
Amazing. Yes. It's like a workstation, eh? Yes, everyone has a job. Yet, at the same time, tradition remains strong. Just like that. Thank you very much. When Matthew and Mary welcomed us, they offered what they usually do for visiting yachts, a sit-down dinner. We gratefully accepted, and as we ate under the light they had switched on for us, we realised how meaningful even that was, and switching it on was a cost to them. Their generosity went beyond the food. It was in the effort, the resources and the care they showed in making us feel welcome. But as the evening went on, we felt something was missing. We wanted to share the food with them, to sit beside them, to learn how it was prepared, and to experience it in the way they do. It was in that moment that we asked for more. Not more food, but more connection. And what they gave us in return was one of the most meaningful evenings of our journey.
Today we have food here,
Yeah.
and make a kava here.
Okay, nice.
Everything is together.
Very nice, very nice.
Where did you cook last night? All that beautiful food.
Amazing.
Everything is a local.
Earlier in the day, the men went to harvest kava. On Pentecost, kava isn't just tradition, it's an industry, with entire plantations sustaining families.
This one is a green one.
Green.
You see,
Because of the stick,
Yeah.
screen, yes,
Ah,
the
yeah.
racing, yes.
Mm-hmm.
the branch is green.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
okay.
And the other one is brown.
Brown.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which do you prefer? Do you like this kava or that kava? Do you have a preference?
This one is very strong.
Is it?
It's much stronger than that.
Yeah. But this one today you have this one.
Okay.
Yes.
We're having a strong one, Julian.
What's this one called?
We call fabu,
Fabu.
and the other one is borongoru.
The green stems, brown
This
stems.
one is green one,
Yes.
and the other one is brown one. Borongoru is a brown one,
Yes.
and fabu is a green one.
Yes.
At the branch,
Yeah.
Will this grow back again?
yeah, you got
Yeah.
you got green again.
It'll grow again.
This one, and then you cut it 1, 2, 3, 3 ring.
Yeah.
Then you have to break it here.
Mm.
3 or 4. It's
Yeah.
okay. So you have to plant this one again.
Oh, you plant it again, right?
Yes.
With 3 or 4
Branch.
rings,
Plant the branch.
like a cutting.
We'll come cut us fruit and come and pick out.
Plant it? Yep, sure.
And then we go plant again down there.
Okay.
University.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Oh.
Fantastic. You break the roots.
Yes.
You have to dig around.
I think we can have a look.
Very effective, eh?
Yeah.
You help? Bila lihat aku lele nunul.
You give it a shake, do you?
Ya. Kan? Wop.
That's it. You get that off. Is that enough soil off?
I think you might be going to use the stick too.
Oh, you don't get your hands dirty.
That's okay.
I have to learn from you.
Yeah.
That's the Western way.
When you walk in the garden, your hand must be dirty.
Oh yeah, we work at the garden at home. Very dirty hands. Plant.
Why you see why we make it like this when we dig out the cover?
Yeah.
We have to bury the branch.
Yeah.
Like we make nursery.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do now? You're going to bury
All
these?
those.
You're going to plant them? Yes. So they grow?
If he stay for 3 weeks. 3 weeks like this,
Yeah.
and we can
Transport it
Yes.
somewhere.
I see. So you put them all in and then you move them out.
Oh, now I
Very
understand.
nice.
Is this nice
This
moist
is the
soil?
way we used to.
Yeah. You don't plant them in, you just lay them.
So do they start
I'm learning
growing?
so much.
I know.
This is fascinating.
They can do it.
I would never have imagined that it was like that.
Yeah.
Wow.
So for 3 months, just leave it like
They
this?
can do it.
3 weeks.
Only 3 weeks.
Oh, sorry, 3 weeks. Okay.
3 weeks.
Yep.
See, I'm paying attention. You're not paying
There's a big
attention.
difference.
And when you dig that up now, are they starting to sprout little roots in the ends?
After
or
3 weeks?
Are they, yeah.
After
So that's
three-
what they're starting.
yeah.
So then you then have to be careful which end you take and plant them with the little ends with
Ah.
the root fingers on them. And that now's got the moisture and everything, and that's now just going to start shooting little. Isn't that fascinating? I have never seen anything like this before. This
No.
is fascinating.
Never.
Malcolm, this
Yeah.
is really
Great
good.
tour. Great tour.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we can't plant this one. No.
Okay.
The pole.
Pull.
Oh, you just do like that. Oh, wow. It's like a potato.
But that night, as part of our cultural cooking experience, we were shown the traditional way of preparing it.
It's bully for prepare the cover inside. Yes.
So you sit it on the ground and you crush down on it, do you?
To grind the cover.
Oh, you grind
so
it.
you will see
Okay.
how we wash the cover,
Yes.
and then we take a stone here. This is stone.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Interesting stone.
We will use like a grinder.
Grinder.
We cut cover like this.
Into pieces, right?
But you can hold it and you. That's the way.
Okay. With the stone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The roots were carefully washed, pounded and strained. Every step done with intention.
And then eat like this, and then you have to turn on the cover.
Wow, it's still going with the grinding.
That's the local cup. Yeah.
Because kava is not just about the drink itself, it's about the seriousness of the process, the respect in its preparation, and the connection it creates when it's shared.
Twist it like this.
Oh,
And
yes.
like this.
Like a funnel, yes.
Then you just move this one. Come like that. So something like this.
Yes.
Then just hold the cover like this. and you do it.
To sit with others and drink kava is to slow down, to be present and to be part of something larger than yourself. It is tradition, process and connection all in one. Like the kava, the food is prepared with intention. Each ingredient is thought out carefully, chosen for what's available and for what it brings to the meal. There's patience in every step and a quiet respect for the process. And there's love and pride in the cooking too. You can feel it in the way everything is handled and in the joy of sharing it. Watching it, you realise this too is kind of a ceremony, an everyday one that brings people together. Amazing. Made it look easy, yeah?
Yeah, it's really.
Tell us what you're making. You're making lap-lap?
Yes, I make lap-lap simboro. Simboro, it means lap-lap with roll with island cabbage.
Island cabbage.
Yes.
Maniok.
Lap-lap maniok. Roll in the island.
The leaf is island cabbage. So you put maniok inside and then you roll it. We call lap-lap maniok or cassava. The next one is Pentecost banana. The same, we put it inside. This one is maniok, simboro maniok, and this one is simboro banana. Like last night you have a milk.
You make very short work of this. You do it very quickly.
Yes. Now we have milk.
Oh wow. Wow.
Bobby Mary.
For that moment, we belonged. This wasn't entertainment, it was trust, an invitation into their way of life, and a reminder that the deepest learning and understanding comes through shared experience.
I have never thought about roasted corporal. This will
What do you think?
This will be good because delicious. Oh, delicious.
Papaya. Great.
Delicious.
Good.
It's not sweet at all.
Yeah? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Delicious, eh?
It's a different way of eating papaya.
Yeah. So far on our journey, we've had many meaningful experiences. Each one has taught us something and left us humbled. And as we sail further north, each experience seems more unique, more surprising and more humbling than the last. Our evening in Loltong Bay reminded us of the generosity of people, the richness of culture and the value of living simply. From Matthew and Mary, we learned that richness can be found in simplicity, in sharing food, drink and time together.